everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover the Express user interface. So far, most of our tutorials have been recorded in the standard user interface, which you can see here. It's for things like developing assets and managing teams, projects, etc. But most users aren't developing assets or managing teams. They're here to remote access into virtual machines, use the data storage service, or launch cloud apps. So all of this here is kind of unnecessary, which is why we have an Express user interface, which is a simpler, more focused way to use Arcus. Many users have the Express UI as their default interface, but standard users can switch into the Express UI at any time by clicking this little guy in the upper right-hand corner and selecting Express mode from the dropdown. And here we have the Express UI. In the center of the page, you will see the cloud apps available to you in your default project. And below those, you will see a carousel of available systems, which includes active virtual machines, as well as inactive compositions awaiting deployment. To remote access into an active VM, click the Connect button. Select your connection method and make sure you have the proper credentials. Then hit Connect. Good old terminal. Nothing beats that. Heading back to the home page, you can see your project's point of contact information, and you can toggle between your projects by selecting Switch Workspaces. And if your permissions are in order, you can access the project's data storage service by clicking the Upload Files prompt on the dashboard here. And I think that about covers it. If you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.